Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to fix Roblox, the application encountered an unrecoverable error. So if you see this kind of error, make sure to follow the steps that I am going to show you because it can help you to fix your problem. So the first method that we can do is to open our web browser and then navigate to the settings. So just tap on the three dots at the top right corner and then click on settings. Now click on the privacy and security. Okay, that's right. And then click on the third party cookies. Okay. And then you will then just have to scroll down and then select all the data. Okay, that's right. And then search for your Roblox application. Just type out and then click on this bean option or the bean icon in order to uninstall your Roblox application. So right after that, the next thing that you can do is to exit this one and then use the search bar at the bottom and then search for run. Okay, so that one. So you'll just have to click on it and then using the search bar, just type out percent app data percent and then click on OK. Now you will have to click on the app data at the top and then select local. Now you can find your Roblox folder and then you will just have to delete this one. Okay, that's right. Just delete this folder. And then right after deleting the folder, you go back and then use the search bar again and then type out settings. Okay, now that you are in the settings, select the apps. Okay, that one, and then click on installed apps. And then use the search bar to look for your Roblox application. So this one. And then just click on this three dots, okay, to select the uninstall option. So just click on it and then download a new version of your Roblox. So to do that, just open your web browser and then type out roblox.com/download. Okay, and then you will just have to click on the download and then install the application. So you will just have to wait for a few seconds. Okay, so right after installing your new version of Roblox, the other thing that you can do now is to go back to your search bar and then type out Roblox player. Okay, and then you will just have to right click this one and then select open file location. And then right click this one again, then click on properties. Then as you can see at the top, you can see the compatibility. So just click on it and then disable full screen optimization. Just click on it. And then right after that, you can now start playing with your Roblox application. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.